How to turn off notification in AFK or nah. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to turn off notification in AFK or nah. Turning off notification in AFK or nah is quite easy. So without any delay, let's get started. Open AFK or nah, start the game on your device. Once you are on the main menu, access the setting menu. Tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the main screen. Go to settings, tap on the setting button usually represented by a gear icon. Find notification setting, look for option related to notification or alert within the game setting. Adjust this setting based on your preference. Toggle off the notification you don't want like AFK rewards or guild chat and more. Here I am turning off all of them. By turning off these notifications, you won't get any notification from AFK or nah. And that's how you can turn off notification in AFK or nah. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.